Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Aruna Tonke, Assistant Professor at M.A. Rangunwala Institute of Hotel Management and Research. I teach front office. Today I am going to talk about the types of rooms that are there in the hotel industry. So what are the different types of room and what does basically mean. So let's get started. So the first category is called single room. So it has a bed, okay, which is like a single bed. It looks like this. So this is called a single room. Only one person can stay in that room. Next is a double room where the size is a king size or a queen size where two people can stay in that room. The next is a twin room wherein there are two separate beds. Maybe there's a queen or two single beds. Okay, wherein if there are two friends that are traveling or which are not related, two siblings, so they can stay in this kind of a room. Hollywood twin. What is this room? What does this actually mean? Is that there are two separate beds, but there is only one dashboard. Headboard that is being attached, so that is called as an Hollywood twin. Okay, triple room wherein there are three single beds and three people can stay. Quad room, same concept. There are if there is a triple occupancy, if there are four people are traveling together and they want separate beds, so there's a four single beds that is there in that particular room. So twin double. There are two double bed, queen size bed that is there, but four people can easily accommodate in that particular room. Especially family prefer this kind of a room. Then is a suite room. It is basically, what is a suite room? It has a bedroom. Okay, can you see over here? It's a bedroom. There's a living room. There is a lot of spacious room. Okay, and this is the expensive room in the hotel. So the living room and the bedroom is being separated. In most of the cases, there might be a kitchen as well. There's a dining area over here also. The next is a junior suite. This is a one level up as a standard room. Okay, it is little bit expensive. What is junior or a mini suite is you have a little bit, the room is spacious. A living room may be or may not be divided, okay, but it has a living space. There's a sofa that is being there for a sitting arrangement. Okay. Lanai room. What is this room? It has a good view. So if your hotel is located near the beach or at the hill resort, it is a resort type where there is hills or surrounded by beaches, so the view is very good, so that is called a lanai room. Cabana room. Cabana is not basically that is a room that is there. It is basically when there is a swimming pool and you have a sitting arrangement. You can see over here there's a wooden thing that is being there arranged near the swimming pool, that is called a cabana. So it's not necessary that the bed should be there and a guest have to stay. There might or they might not be there the rooms situated near the swimming pool. Okay. Interconnected room. There are two rooms that are there. Okay, and it is connected through a common door. Okay, so you can see there are two rooms and it is connected by a common door, or there's one more category of room called as adjacent room. The interconnecting door in the between this wall is not there, but the room is side by side. That is called adjacent room. The next is an efficient room. It has a kitchen. It has bedroom and a kitchen, wherein this category of room is preferred by a long stay guest where the guest wants to cook something in the room. Duplex room, wherein the room has a interconnecting staircase. So it has two floors, one is below and one is above, and there is a stair where you can see, it's connected. So downstairs there might be a living room and upper there might be a sitting area. Penthouse outside in different countries. The concept of penthouse, this is a room, this is a topmost room that is there in the hotel, which is on the topmost floor. It has a living room, it has a kitchen, it has 3 or 4 bedrooms. Okay, so it's the most expensive room in the hotel. In the Indian hotels, we have a presidential suite, that is the most expensive room in the